And in news that's just coming in, Chandrayaan 4 is all set to be launched in 2027, that is in 2 years from now. India will be launching a Chandrayaan 4 mission to bring back samples of moon rocks to the earth. It's a statement by Science and Technology Minister Jitendra Singh. Chandrayaan 4 will involve at least 2 separate launches of heavy lift LMV-3 rocket that will carry 5 different components of the mission, which will be assembled in orbit. Jitendra Singh, the Union Minister, also says that Chandrayaan 4 mission aims to collect samples from moon's surface and bring back to the earth. Gaganyaan 3 mission, which involves sending Indian astronauts in a specially designed spacecraft to low Earth orbit and bringing them back, will be launched next year. Additionally, he says that in 2026, India will also launch Samudrayaan, which will take 3 scientists in a submersible up to depth of 6,000 meters in the deep ocean to explore the seabed. The achievement will align with the timelines of India's other landmark missions, including the Gaganyaan space mission, which would mark a pleasant coincidence in the nation's journey towards scientific excellence. Alright, so Chandrayaan 4, that is also set to be launched in 2 years from now, that is in 2027. That's a statement, detailed one that's coming from Jitendra Singh, who says that there is going to be very soon another milestone. Chandrayaan 4 that India is setting its eyes on, the ISRO specifically, India to bring samples of moon rocks to the earth. Why this mission, Chandrayaan 4, that will be launched in 2027. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat called for Hindu unity. Speaking at Hindu Ekta Sammelan in Kerala, Mohan Bhagwat said that Hindu society can flourish if it is united. Bhagwat even called for treating all Hindus as one, irrespective of their caste, religion or language, further adding that the whole world is waiting for Hindustan to show the way. Here's a look at the highlights from the RSS chief's address.
हिंदू समाज को अपना जीवन चलाने के लिए हिंदू एकता की आवश्यकता है, उसमें से शक्ति उत्पन्न होगी। ये बताने के लिए और कोई तर्क देने की आवश्यकता नहीं, विश्व में ये नियम है। जो समाज संगठित है, एक है, उस समाज का उत्कर्ष होता है। जो समाज विभक्त है, संगठित नहीं है, उस समाज का अधपतन होता है। इतिहास और वर्तमान दोनों इसके साक्षी है।
Now, Pariksha Pe Charcha will come this year in a new format and style and will bring more experts along with Prime Minister Modi himself. Here's a quick look at how the Pariksha Pe Charcha will look like this year.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to engage with students, teachers and parents in the 8th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025. This year, the interactive program will be held in a new format and style and will bring more experts along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The interactive program this year will be star-studded and held in a new format with a host of famous personalities.
इस बार परीक्षा पे चर्चा का होगा नया अंदाज।
नमस्ते जी, मकर संक्रांति में क्या खाते हैं? तिल गुड़। तो एक ही लेना ऐसा नियम नहीं है।
इस 8वें एडिशन में प्रधानमंत्री जी के इस सफल अभियान में जुड़ेंगे और भी नए चेहरे, जो 8 अलग अलग एपिसोड में बच्चों को एग्जाम की तैयारी का नया रास्ता सिखाएंगे।
Everybody can sparkle and do things that others cannot imagine.
नेक्स्ट वर्ड को रिवर्स कर दोगे तो क्या होगा?
दुनिया का सबसे जो अच्छा कैमरा है वो ये है।
आपको वो कन्विक्शन होना कि आई एम केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग दिस।
और उनकी टेंशन को छू मंतर कर देंगे और बच्चे एग्जाम वॉरियर से एग्जाम वॉरियर बन जाएंगे। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ बच्चे तैयारी के समय स्ट्रेस फ्री रहना, टेक्नोलॉजी का सही इस्तेमाल, खेल, क्रिएटिव एनर्जी, न्यूट्रिशन, मेंटल हेल्थ और जीवन के जरूरी सबक भी सीख पाएंगे। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का हर शब्द, हर सुझाव आपको नई ऊर्जा और आत्मविश्वास से भर देगा।
पढ़ेगा इंडिया।
तो दोस्तों तैयार हो जाइए पढ़ाई की टेंशन को बाय बाय बोलने के लिए, क्योंकि 10 फरवरी सुबह 11 बजे होने वाली है पीएम के साथ परीक्षा पे चर्चा।
Day after marathon security review meeting by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Jammu and Kashmir, DG CRPF GP Singh has reached Jammu to review the security. He will be visiting the 5 terror-infested districts of the Jammu region to review the security and will also be holding meetings with the key officials from the Jammu and Kashmir Police as well as from the Indian Army. For more, stay tuned to Republic TV right after this short break.